Hey there, everybody. Welcome. This is the start of our AMPS program, the Advancing Math Program for Success at College of the Sequoias. I'm hoping this works out really well. We're trying it out for the next 8 weeks. You're going to be refreshing your memory on algebra and trigonometry, and we're going to do some other stuff as well to help you prepare for college. We're going to be doing a lot of it in the ALEX program, as the welcoming letter says, and I'm going to walk you through signing up and what you should do. There's the link to it, and here's the code we'll need down here. I'll just click on it. I did control click. Should be opening. And I will click sign up as a new student. And what was my code here? Let's go over here and copy it. See if I can copy paste it in. Copy paste is the best way. That way we make sure we don't screw up. This is for the summer of 2025. If I reuse this video for a later summer, you're going to have a different code. Use the code in the letter. Click continue. Tells you what you're signing up for. I'm going to say no, I've never used ALEX before. Let's see, I'm going to go with Leonard Hofstetter. I think that's how you spell it. Might be TDER. I don't know, from Big Bang Theory. So I'll use a fake COS email, Leonard, ELEONS1234 at giant.cos.edu. You want to use the one that's appropriate, your school email. It makes it easier to track everything for the MESA program to distribute vouchers if you're interested in getting a little pickup for making some money for fall. I will copy this down here. Please put your banner ID in here. Okay. And choose a password. Let's see. 8 to 14 characters, no spaces, one number, one letter. Sheldon. I need to view as. Let's do Sheldon sucks. 13. And then Sheldon sucks 13. Oh, I misspelled something there. So please put in your number here. Most of them have a 00, something like that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please use your number so it helps track who gets what. I agree to the terms of use. And I'm going to say not now. Oh, gives us a cool login name. You'll have your login name. Make sure you write that down. Make sure you write down your password somewhere too. I don't have access to your password, so if you forget it, I can't help. Okay. When you get here, it's gonna walk you through some demo stuff, and it's important that you take your time doing it. Learn how the program works, how it enters. So, oh wow, they have a different setup view. Jump to this program. So we're gonna click on our calculus one. It's gonna walk you through. This is just a little intro on how to do stuff. I can't stop that. I'll click get started. So it's going to start you with the TIG tools tutorial. It tells you where everything is. So main menu is over here. We'll look at that in a second in the main course. Notifications show up here. And generally on the left is what you want to do. So we're going to start with doing the, you're going to start with the ALEX tutorial. Go through all of this. And then it's going to take you to the next screen. I'm going to show the next screen on my own screen. That way I'm not doing all this stuff on ALEX here or on Leonard Hofstetter. That's a fake made up name. I am going to relog into my account real quick. Hopefully that didn't change me to Leonard. No, it's me still. All right, let me go to my summer class. Do student view. So it tells you that. It does take the tutorial, get started. Go through this, learn how everything's entered. It shows you how to do graphing points and stuff like that. It's not as simple as doing stuff like this. It's not everything's as intuitive as the first couple things look. So take the tools tutorial. It's not that long. And then you're going to have something called, I said skip. Then you're going to have something called the initial knowledge check. This is very, very important that you take it seriously. Do not do it with any notes. If you have a graphing calculator, don't use it. Just use a regular scientific calculator, the one that doesn't solve anything for you, just does math calculations, no algebra or anything like that. If you don't have one, the computer will offer you a calculator and program to use while you're doing it. There's about 25 questions. It's really very important you do this without any additional resources. This is checking what you know, because the way the ALEKS program works is it only gives you questions and material to learn for stuff you didn't already show that you knew how to do. So there's no point in wasting your time going over addition and subtraction if you don't know how to do it. But if you really sucked at fractions, it might give you some fractions problems. So like it's good to take this seriously. We're going to do one at the end of the semester or the beginning this week, and we're going to do one the last day of the class. That way you can see like how you compared your differences. There's about 25 questions. Take them seriously. Take your time. It's going to walk over things you can do. If you don't know the answer, do not put it, do not guess. It's very important. If you don't know, don't guess the answer. You're not getting credit for this. You're not getting a grade for this. This is really to help you learn. So if you don't know it, by submitting an answer that you're guessing for, you're not really helping yourself learn. You're just helping yourself find out if you guessed correctly. That's not what we're here for. So click I don't know if you don't know how to do any of the problems, okay? Now, I'm not going to walk through all 25 problems. They'll all be different. I'm going to, as a teacher, I'm able to skip through and simulate like I know. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you, but you shouldn't skip. Definitely do it. Do the whole thing. So after I've taken my initial knowledge check test, it gives me this pie wheel showing based on category what I've learned. They don't have a variety of colors here, just red, green, and blue. They used to have a yellow. I don't have anything on. This isn't looking good. There you go. That's a little bit better. That pie chart's not showing. Unless I don't have any on it. 0. It shows I didn't know any. Okay. So it shows what we have here. You can see your ALEKS pie here. Timeline just shows what you've worked on and when kind of thing. ALEKS pie is kind of fun to look at. Not everybody likes it. It kind of does show you how you're doing, how you're growing. This is pretty important over here, this hamburger bar, this triple line thing. So learn is what it's covering. Up next, before I click on it, when you do start my path, it's going to walk you through like where I showed weaknesses. So it's going to start me with stuff I wasn't comfortable with. It's going to show me how to do it. So maybe take some notes on it. Write down how to do it. And then start the problem. Start the section and try to solve these questions. Ideally, you're trying to get 3 in a row. If you get 3 in a row on a topic, they're showing you that you understood the material of that topic and it'll skip. Again, don't cheat. Don't use AI. Don't look anything up. Don't use a graphing calculator for graphing programs. Don't use a calculator that does algebra for you. Just do stuff that, like, use it for like multiplying and dividing and sine and cosine and degrees and all the fun stuff like that. Exponents. It can help speed things up. Another thing that this thing is good for is review. If you want to go do a specific topic, you can click on the review thing like I just did. Click on review, the hamburger bar, click on review. And you can click the drop-down menu, and it should give you a list of topics you've showed that you already mastered. So, like, if you're looking for a specific one, you can go through it, or you should be able to come over here and sort it. So, like, I wanted to refresh my memory on distance between 2 points. So I could type in this, and I could refresh my problem or memory on those. Hit enter, click on it, and it'll give me problems related to that. If I wanted to do exponents, what have I done with exponents? Well, I want to cover, I forgot how negative exponents work. I did it right earlier, but I need a little refresher. It'll give me some problems on it. So the review tab over here on the left, go back a couple screens. When you click review here, you can go in and click this down arrow here and choose by topic here or scroll left and right, okay? So overall, what you're going to do is each week, this is the way it's going to work. Hopefully you have this initial knowledge check done by this Saturday, June 7th, so that you can get started and maybe even started down the path. Start working down your own path. On Saturdays, starting June 7th, I will be in the Mesa Center, which is John Muir Building, room 124, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. working with students. I'm going to go over, every week we'll have like a session or a lesson starting at 10 o'clock that won't be that long, not necessarily math related, sometimes math related, like fractions. Everybody sucks at fractions. So when in one of the first early weeks, like maybe week 2, I'm going to do a little fraction review for you, live demo. But there's going to be stuff starting at 10 a.m., a little session on preparing for college and preparing for the entire calculus sequence. It's not always intuitive. High school students and students fresh and new to college, even if you've been here for a year, you're often thinking about how to get out of school fastest, not how to get the most out of college. So I'm going to help you try to get the most out of college and be best prepared for college and not try to get you to race through college. Okay? So we'll do something at 10 a.m. every day, but I'll be there from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturdays, John Muir, room 124. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., we're going to have 2 student tutors in there, Tyler and Veronica. They've both done really well in the college or the calculus courses here that they've taken. I'm confident Veronica has passed Calc 3. I'm pretty sure Tyler's high up in calculus right now. They're going to help you answer problems during midweek also. So if you want extra help from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, going over stuff you saw on Alex, write it down, write down the question, write down what your answer was. Like, in fact, when you're doing all of this, you should have all your work on paper. Do all these questions on paper showing your work, get your answer. That way, when you're done, if it's right, you're good. You can always use it for review later. If it's wrong, you can take it and go, hey, what did I do wrong here? You can ask Tyler, Veronica, or me. Tuesdays and Thursdays with Tyler and Veronica, and Saturdays with me. Okay? I hope to see you guys every Saturday. We're going to have some fun activity every week, and we'll see how it goes. Peace.